Hey everyone, this is our Arkansas Razorbacks wireless car horn. Pretty cool little unit here. The button doesn't require any batteries, completely waterproof, so you never have to maintain the thing. You can put it outside and let it go. It plays 35 seconds roughly of the fight song. It doesn't play the whole thing through because that's just limitations of how long it'll play when somebody hits the button outside or wherever you got this mounted at. So I'm going to play a small clip of it and then turn it off, but you can go down and listen to the sound clip down below. Pretty cool little unit, and you can change the sound files anytime you want.